This is Karbala Gamesha, the oldest Shia procession hall in Lahore. Rawadari Tehreek, an interfaith group, just concluded their solidarity visit to the site. For the past 5 years, Tehreek has been visiting this place to express brotherhood and to share the message of peace and love with the Shia leaders, which is considered a minority in Pakistan.
Rawadari Tehreek delegation, which consisted of social, political and religious leaders from different faiths and religions, visited one of the oldest Imam Barga of the Shia Muslims in Lahore and expressed their solidarity with the Shia community, because the Shia community has been targeted on the basis of their sect. There has been countless killings during the holy month of Muharram during last 2 decades. So Rawadari Tehreek delegation gave the message of peace and togetherness during the month of Muharram and appealed to the people of Pakistan to reject violence, to reject those who promote violence and practice peace and harmony during the month of Ramadan, Muharram. This is the 5th year to the Rawadari Tehreek delegation that we have been visiting this Imam Barga to express our message of peace and harmony for the Shia community. The sectarian violence actually increases in Pakistan during the month of Muharram, because there has been tension between the Shia and Muslims of other sects, and this has been one of the violent months for last 2 decades. And the Shia community was the weaker community because they are in minority on the basis of sect, and this is why there has been the killing of mostly the Shia community. So the delegation of Rawadari Tehreek was for solidarity with the Shia community and to give a large message of peace and interfaith harmony.
This site has been attacked by terrorists in the past. In 2010, 38 people were killed in 3 explosions during the morning procession in Muharram, the Islamic month of mourning, which commemorates the death anniversary of Prophet Muhammad's grandson, Imam Hussein. In 2011, 7 people died during Muharram processions from the same site, and the organizers of Shia halls all over the country are presently liaising with local police to provide protection and security to the mourners. This is Kamran Chaudhary from UCA News, Lahore.